So I just took the the pulsator cap off of my Samsung top loader washing machine. That's the cap. So I took it off and I saw that. The reason why I'm taking it off is because the water is starting to smell and the clothes are starting to smell. And so I take that off and I'm like, oh, that's not good. It's got some crap on it. And then look at that. I'm like, well, that's even worse. I don't like that. I don't like the look of that. And then ended up taking this off, which I saw a lot of people on YouTube, they go around the edge to take it off. Well, mine didn't work, and I actually bent the edges on some parts. So wish I wouldn't have done that. Ended up having to get a screwdriver, stick it in here, and just pulling straight up. So just want to show you sort of a couple things that are wrong. So clearly that's no bueno, and the water has to pass through all of this, and so that would be part number 2 that's not good, other than the cap. And then I look at this, and this is mold growth. You see that's a chunk I just scraped off. That's mold. I just scraped this off. That's with one passing through. That's mold. And this is what my household's been subjected to. Excuse me. All down there. I mean, that's just disgusting. This is an obvious and clear design flaw from Samsung. Very disappointed, and really wish there was something I can do about it, and wish there was some sort of lawsuit that I could take and get some people to do a class action. That would be great. If anybody knows anything, let me know. I've seen a few people mention it before. But yep, that's that.